third place match, Mali ni Guinea. I mean, Emia say Baku 3 slots and for Olympics Africa. Emia, because these two teams are exhibiting beautiful football. Ball like fair, ball like Dafem, Kama. I mean, we share Guinea for our problem. They say ball no the omo jranso na Seduba se fa efa ne fanso na for the camera Fafi Finfin Ibrahim Afofana Fafi right side no mo boa Agiba Kamara frame or left wing honomo na Ishmael Agasani ba or center for F omo crab board omo trim the bottom to fem omo nim town pass no mo problem na no say CFA 20 ne mu no Guinea for nyade omo bogusa especially ade omo yade omo cross ball count dem omo de omo ti bobo na number bi we share any omo the same thing omo Egypt the same thing so omo ankasa de e ba se ye bobo no to atire ma ayom problem na Mali for no so de omo the only problem anya na say Ibrahim Asise anya injury in a game against Morocco and Lassim Sumaro obesisa no and then only Hamdou Diallo nebebo. But the Malian side, Boubacar Traoré of RB Leipzig, Red Bull Salzburg, on loan to FC Lausanne, Switzerland. And then the maestro Mamadou Diambo Wolves, those two boys are going to be key. Guinea, Ahondi a midfielder. Guinea, Omahondi a midfielder, Seydou Bassissé, Fode Camara, Ibrahim Fofana. Now Mali so Ahondi pa ye Ifinfio any enim. Mali and then Koli Sako Bebo with Mamadou Diambo. And then you also experience Boubacar Traoré the throw who play midfield. Now Mali for a fiscal just as Guinea for a fiscal. The difference no say Mali for no se Kudumbia mean whether he will be fit because Omo Prano in the game against Morocco, Chad Riyad, the center by the Prano, and Ofrimo, and Shekna Diakite Besisano. So today Shekna Diakite is more deadly or a very skillful, very creative than even Sekudumbia. And so, and then the slight advantage Mali war chain Guinea say born yedi to form union bopa. But Mali a more potent when him a bagosha. And a Mali no omumbu they don't give you respect. Omuni Morocco born so omanfa a bo ni di ama Morocco. Omuni omu fiso even though man shall say Adi Bakuso Mali when you say I am born no mun shall say to consider legal. But fortunately Guinea and me and share an illegal also. So it's going to be interesting. Me money was Mali Kakra, even though Guinea have what it is, but me bet was Mali Kakra for Mali to pick the only remaining spot. The Olympic Games spot that's at stake. One. Third place never qualify because Morocco ni Egypt aka back when on the evidence of the end to Mikra anytime Mali qualify and say you call Olympic Games between Guinea and Mali will do better.
Because I'm sure money against Morocco. So the Morocco say
ball no money omunimbo ball go omunimbo ankasa omu the two for omunimbo pa omu trimu de omu sha say but omu back game no omu decide omu ball agra effect. So I tip them to win. Now Mamelodi Sundowns say Abu Tano Kana Ghana clubs yati Mamelodi Sundowns are signing Abrantier Lucas Ribeiro Costa Jeffery Beveren Belgium
SOMPA Sports.
Mamelodi Sundowns ako signing a Belgian player, a Brazilian player in Lucas Ribeiro Costa of Beveren Belgium. Until I'm introduce him into where, boy no. Sundowns che Bema kama kambo no nimbo pa ni. Awaits the friend is saying talented player. Last season, the Belgian league, or share 14 goals, 13 assists, solid. A Brazilian player, and a Marco Fana free Belgian league. But he haven't even top player in free Togo.
Lucas Ribeiro.
Yes, Lucas, or a quick, intelligent, pacey, skillful, or a good scorer. Brilliant player by our standard. Just for the 3 games, but not share those number of goals. So that should tell in terms of statistics. Brilliant. Now, Ono Eba, Everton Moraes another Brazilian player. Omako Fano every Esporte Bahia or Brazil. Once again, Mamelodi Sundowns akofa no so abeka. Then beyond him, Juan Mendieta Argentinian player was 13 goals, 10 assists. Ama Stellenbosch. And now Mamelodi Sundowns akofa no so aba ona ho no we no so no or ye playmaker ball no one nice one on the bopper. Those 3 top players and Mamelodi Sundowns akofa aba. Now what it means Oton Mamelodi Sundowns aton Hashim Domingo Ayomu midfield general Bako or pecking or the 4th Omatona Maraja de Casablanca or Morocco until Andy Jale good old Andy Jale Obi Aushe 2013 Cup Champions League Tulu Segulela Oni Opa Manisa Denklate they were in the midfield against Ali almost by 3 goals. Why ended why I'm retired 3 years. Almost what baby one million also so now Sundowns am I ready for a takeoff? Omo Netherlands are pre-season. Ona Oma Kotora be free way 1.5 million euros a free beverage. Also talk to go. So that's Mamelodi Sundowns. I mean
Apostle yes sir na.
Mimi nyehwe omo no mo yo made.
So na ukofaba.
So they say, the quality they have there, they finish. So see, I'm not forget, near Secrets, Marcelo Allende or a Chilean, so South America. Orlando Pirates were 10 scouts in South America. So many young, that is why, boy, we ever Morales almost scouting for 2 years. Now the time has come. Orlando Mokona some fan number. Marcelo Allende or a Chilean or a bomb me for the Hono. Gaston Sereno, Uruguayan top mid for the playmaker or Honomo. Evan Severada of Bolivia. And I will my back on near see a number of problems foreign quota 5. And to Mama Gaston Sereno, man was Africa's old tron a few num so ye play. I'm betting so it's your naturalize Gaston Sereno, are there to so best South African purpose of football. Send be a new and a ban or Benya Queen and Maristano.
Okay.
What does it? And T-Born or Omo year born Africa. Must say a interview.
Yeah.
Until the women face don't
Me we are born. Yeah. That's why you agree.
Thank you.
And you want to work on because you call tournament na you. Now you